Hello, I'm going to talk about the symbols of Raptor and how they are used. And later on, we're going to see a flowchart that uses all of these symbols. The first one that I'm going to talk about is called input. The symbol input allows information or data to enter to the flowchart. There you can write questions or ask the user for the value of a variable. Here you should type a statement or request a variable. Another symbol that's called output is where you can show off to the user the information or the result of certain operations. Here you should write the statement that indicates a result plus the result itself, writing the concept of the previous operation. Another symbol called assignment is where you can give a specific value to a variable, and it is also used to make operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication, etc. The symbol call, another symbol, it's used to create another like page of Raptor to work in, so that your work can be less messy and more neat. It takes you to another page, like a space to work. Then there is selection. The selection symbol is where you can write a statement or a decision. This decision can depend on the user, or it can depend in a certain numeric value. If the condition is true, the flowchart will follow a certain path that can lead to certain operations. And if the condition is false, the flowchart will follow another path with different operations. You need to here you need to write a question to the user. Here you can also write an equation, like for example, x is equal to 0. If it is true, then you follow a certain path, and if it is false, then you follow another path. The x can be defined previously. And finally, there is a loop symbol. This symbol is a cycle. It can be a for or a while. In the for, it will have an equation. If the equation is not fulfilled, the cycle will repeat itself and make the same operations over and over again until the equation is fulfilled. The same goes for while. The only difference is that while has a condition that interacts with the user, so the user can decide whether to stop or not the cycle. Thank you. Here we have a flowchart that uses all of the symbols of Raptor. Here we want to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. So we start, and it says, if you want to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, press 1. If you want to calculate the area instead, press 2. Here I want to calculate the perimeter. You need to give the base of the rectangle, I say 4. The height, let's write 3. And here is the perimeter. And then it says, if you understood the answer, you're ready to leave, press 1. If not, press 2. If you didn't understand something, you can press 2. And here's a little explanation. Then you can write anything. I'm going to write okay. Then it tells you again this, and I can say that I already understood, so I write 1. and it ends. Run complete. And if you were to choose the area, here's also the procedure for the area. I'm going to choose the area. So the base also 4, the height 3, and the area is 12. And I'm ready to leave. So as you can see, here is the input, here is the call, here is decision, here is loop, and here is output. Thank you.